are you all doing? I hope you're doing well. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Lynette Mwangi. For those who've subscribed, thank you so much. And if you're new here, karibu sana. And feel free to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that anytime that you upload a video, you are notified. So in today's video, I want us to make plantains for breakfast in 5 minutes. So with me here, I have plantains. These are boiled plantains. This is how they look like when they are boiled. So I peel them off. Then we deep fry them in hot oil.